Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan started its operation under the auspicious guidance of Sri Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1938 by our beloved founder Sri K.M. Munshiji. Bhavan will be completing 75 years of its existence. The Platinum Jubilee is being celebrated throughout the year in all its Kendra within the country and abroad. Around the same time, the Bhavan family will be celebrating the 125th birth anniversary of its founder Kulapati K.M. Munshiji. Welcome to Pustaka Bharati, a wing of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. Is 61 years old. It is the most important constituent of 486 institutions in the world bearing the name of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. It is a university with no paid teachers and paying students. Yet, it draws the wisdom of countless teachers and passes it on the millions of students. It has brought into book form all that is best about India, old and new, about its culture, art, history and legend, myth and epic, and the literature of most Indian languages. The Bhavan's Book University has so far published over 2,000 titles, all intended to promote education, art, culture and ethics. Its primary aim is to publish books and periodicals which provide modern knowledge, inculcate boys and girls and help release their creative energies in constructive and meaningful ways. Started in 1951, Bhavan's Book University has grown from strength to strength. Bhavan's publications have received wide welcome both in India and abroad, and the sales have now crossed over 32 million copies. When the sales touched the 1 lakh mark in 1957, Sri Rajagopalachari said, "The Bhavan's books and periodicals are selling so well is proof positive that the soul of India is still sound." Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru said, "Bhavan has made publication history in India," and predicted that the Bhavan will herald a much needed book revolution.
I am the frequent visitor for this Pustaka Bandara of Bhavan's institution. On the whole, I am the old student of this Bhavan's institution also. Here we have nice books starting from children to adult. Of all kinds of books we can see here. Charts also we can see for kids, and we have science books, and we have this one books of philosophy and all, and this CDs we can get of Dr. Mastur Krishnamurthy. They are well known for Gita chanting.
This continuing book revolution draws inspiration from what Kulapati Munshi wrote in his preface to the very first book, Mahabharata, authored by Sri Rajagopalachari. This common pool of literature, it is hoped, will enable the reader, Eastern or Western, to understand and appreciate currents of world thought as also the movements of the mind in India, which, though they flow through different linguistic channels, have a common urgent aspirations. The twin volumes of Rajaji's Ramayana and Mahabharata in English have sold over 1.3 million copies each and have run into 52nd and 57th editions respectively and are in continuous demand. Kulapati Munshi wanted the Bhavan to produce an exhaustive and authentic history of India and its people and their culture. Accordingly, the Bharatiya Itihasa Vibhag was established in 1944 to bring out the history and culture of Indian people, covering all aspects: spiritual, cultural, political, social and economic of life of the Indian people from the Vedic age to modern times. This 11-volume magnum opus has acquired international reputation and has been hailed as an outstanding achievement of modern Indian scholarship. It has found a place in all the major libraries of India and the English reading world as an authentic work of reference. All the volumes have gone into several editions and more than 50,000 sets have already been distributed.
ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಬಿಂಬಿಸುವ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಯಾವ ಬುಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ನಾವು ಭಾರತೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭವನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 25% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದರಿಂದ. ಈಗ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಬ್ದಕೋಶ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಭಾಷೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದು ಇದು ಕಷ್ಟವಾದ ಪದ ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
Young hearts and minds have to be provided with the right mental and spiritual food and nourishment. They should be enabled to learn to appreciate and absorb our tradition, history and culture. Dr. Munshi felt that the first concrete step in this direction would be to prepare a series of graded culture course books standard 1 to 10 suited the caliber and assimilative capacity of different age groups among our children. All the books have gone into several editions and more than 1,00,000 sets have already been distributed.
Those books were unique. They were cheap, but not cheap looking. They were light. And they did not look like big English books on Indian culture, etc., which threatened you, because they were in a simple language. If I have had an education in Indian culture, a large part of it is from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan books. I read most of them because even in my village, they were available in a matha where they had a bookshop, and they used to get these journals and these books.
Bhavan has completed the publication of yet another monument, Sri Yoga Vasishtam, authored by Maharshi Valmiki and translated into English by Professor P.N. Murthy. Bhavan's journal, the English Fortnightly, devoted to life, literature and culture, started in 1954, is now globally recognized as one of the most widely read magazines of our country, having a vast and enlightened readership. The blending of extracted nectar with the delicacies of contemporary literary diet has what made Bhavan's journal a unique journal, presenting all that is best in India's culture, art, spiritual and philosophical thought. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Bengaluru Kendra has taken greatest interest and has published and got translated over and above 100 publications in Kannada by eminent writers, translators and editors. It has credit of translating the 100 volumes of the collected works of Mahatma Gandhi written by our father of nation, Sri Mahatma Gandhi, to the extent of 24 volumes in the name of Gandhi Kriti Sanchaya and other being translated. Bangalore Kendra proudly announces that this particular translation is not attempted by any other languages other than India. Sri Mathur Krishnamurti ji, a great scholar, has translated Gandhi Upanishads in Kannada and many more to his credentials. Bharati Vidyabhavan Bengaluru Kendra, Pustaka Bharati is also emanating with an idea of bringing its stock position in the website by which the buyer of books can know the books available and book online. Bhavan's Pustak Bharati is one-stop shop for all spiritual, culture, art, science publications through print and electronic media.